Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mami Costa Vlogs. And we are now here in Dubai Festival City! We're here in Dubai Festival City. It's weekend. It's Saturday. And it's our off from work. So, Mami Costa is already fully recovered from my recent surgery. So, we decided to go and visit Dubai. We do not visit Dubai Festival more often. So, dito kami ngayon. And we are going to visit IKEA. Dubai. IKEA in Festival City. Ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Dubai Festival City is also one of the biggest malls dito sa Dubai. So, where are we going? Daddy, careful. Ayun si ate. We're following her. There is one comment from one of my office mates. Sabi niya, if I could speak in English more often during my vlog so she could understand what I am talking about. So, we will try our best. So, magna-nosebleed si Mami Costa for today. We'll show you our Saturday trip in Dubai Festival City Mall and IKEA. So, it's fun to roam around because it's still cold season. So, ayun si Daddy. So, see you inside. We will try to take a video of the mall, the interiors, what we can see, what are the stalls. And then, since this is the center, so hopefully walang masyadong magreklamo. Hopefully no one will complain. Why are we taking videos? H&M. So we're going inside now. So, CR muna tayo. Alam niyo, ang ganda ng CR dito. Nakakatuwa. Oh, diba? Napaka-social ng CR dito. Siyempre, hindi ko na kayo isasama masyado sa pag-CR ko, diba? Dahil una hindi ko malaking pinto, CCR muna ako. So, we're looking for a place to eat. This mall is so spacious, as in. That's why you cannot feel that it's weekend. Though they have lots of customers inside, there are lots of people inside the mall. You cannot feel it or you cannot see it that much because it's so spacious. So for now, we're going to food court, as usual. And what's good in this mall is that they have the natural lighting. Yung roof kasi nila, you can see the sun rays there. So, sisave sila ng energy. O, diba? Seems like we're the only one here. Nobody. We're now here in food court. Food court, food court. Ayan. So for now, we'll see where can we eat. Then we'll get back to you. We're done ordering. Actually, nasa harapan ko na. It's already in front of me. But for husband, himala. He ordered Japanese food. Ramen daw. Ramen and tempura. So, sharing is caring. Don't think na Mami Costa will eat everything in front of me. We will share. So, what did I order? Hot and sour soup. Then, of course, our favorite combo. Fried rice with mixed pancit. Or the fried noodle. What do you call this one in English?
Spring roll.
No, this one. This is spring roll. Then this one, it's mixed Chinese noodles. And beef and chicken. Ayan. So we'll eat first, then we will roam around. We're done eating. Yahoo! So may energy na to walk around. We're going outside because I wanna show you yung favorite spot namin here in Dubai Festival City. Ayan na. Ay, feeling ko there's a concert. There's an event.
Oh, Chinese New Year.
Ah, because of the Chinese New Year. There you go. See? There's an event. Ayan. See? Ang ganda, diba? And it's nice to walk around because it's not summer. May pa-concert sila. I think it's because of the Chinese New Year. I'm not sure. But we'll go here. Let's take a picture over there, Daddy. This is nice, oh. So we're going to have some pictures right over there. Right. It's nice. Say hi, Dad. I'm very happy dahil ngayon na lang kami ulit nakagala. Yes, I think there is. Wow, look at this. It's so relaxing. Right? We went out just to show you how does it look like during daytime. But definitely, it's more beautiful at night. Because most of the lights are already on. And of course, there will be an event. So let's have a picture here, Dad. That's the Burj Khalifa. There. Taas, no? The tallest building. So we will spend a few more minutes here outside. Then later on, we'll go to IKEA. We're here in IKEA. What do you want? Later. Yes. So it's actually the same layout of IKEA Philippines. I think they have a standard layout, no? When it comes to the entrance, from the entrance, ayan. And actually, based on my observation, the last time we visited IKEA Philippines last June, I can say that IKEA Philippines is still more expensive than IKEA Dubai. Why? Totoo yung sinabi nung isa sa mga friend ko, si Mark Joseph. He lives in Qatar, if I'm not mistaken. And he showed price comparison between IKEA Qatar compared to IKEA Philippines. And it's true. Some of the items here is actually 50% ang difference from the price in our country. So, I don't know why. So, this is nice. So cozy. Ito madilim. Yeah. It's the same as what we have. No. It's lighter.
그 기준을
Pesos? Dirham. Ayan na naman. May kasama na naman ako nagre-reklamo sa presyo. Yes. This is what I have at home, but the white color. It's a side table, but it's nice because actually, dito yan. Yan. For example, you're watching TV while drinking coffee and wala kang center table, it's recommended. Yes. Ito nude lang. Beige, nude, light pink. There. Galing, no? They're giving you some ideas on how are you going to arrange your home, especially for small units. Yan. Fiberglass chair. I don't know if it's durable. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. My outfit for the day. So, let's roam, let's roam. We'll show you more of the parts inside, okay? Yeah. Very cute, no? So cute. This is 595 dirham. Table, yes, only the table, no? Because the chair has a different price. Or is it together? I think it's together, Daddy. Oo. Yes, it's together na. So, 595 dirham, it's around 7,000 pesos. Depende yon sa exchange rate.
Pinili.
So, we're done in IKEA. Nandito na kami sa bilihan ng vape. Kasi si husband, bibili siya ng juice ng vape niya. So, ayun siya. So, umupo muna ako kasi nangangalay na ako. Kakalakad. May nabili kami sa IKEA. Yes. Pero konti lang. Because it's actually not a necessity. Pero nakyutan lang talaga ako sa kanya. We bought some pillow covers para sa sala. And nakyutan ako dun sa cellphone stand. I'll show you later kung ano yung mga nabili namin. Nakakatuwa lang. Para lang may bago akong pillow cover sa living room. Yung throw pillow cover. Ayan. So anyway, we're going home soon. After nito, baka maglakad-lakad pa kami ng ilang minuto. Then we have to go home na because ayaw magpagabi ni Herbert. Tsaka para makapahinga pa kami. So see you later!